3 people get a keratin treatment on the same Saturday. The first one mixes gelatin and coconut oil in her kitchen. It smells fine. It feels amazing for about a day and a half. Then it's gone. The second one spends $400 at a salon, sits in a chair for 3 hours with a fan pointed at her face and a window cracked open, and walks out with hair like glass eyes and a headache. The third one does it at home in under an hour, no fumes, no burning eyes, and her hair still looks smooth 11 weeks later. Same word on all 3 boxes. Keratin, completely different chemistry. So let's actually break down what's happening on the hair strand in each of these, because once you understand the science, you'll never be confused in the hair aisle again. Quick foundation, because everything else depends on this. Your hair is roughly 90% keratin, a fibrous structural protein. Frizz isn't a personality flaw. Frizz is a cuticle problem. When the outer cuticle layer is lifted, roughened, or eroded, the strand loses moisture unevenly, swells in humidity, and light scatters off it instead of reflecting cleanly. Rough surface, dull frizzy hair; smooth surface, shine. So a keratin treatment is really answering one question: how do you get protein to sit where the damage is and stay there? 3 very different answers. Option 1, the kitchen. Gelatin masks, egg yolk, mayonnaise, rice water, coconut oil, whatever's trending this month. And I want to be fair here, some of these do something. But here's the ceiling, and it's a hard one. It feels incredible on day 1. Then you wash your hair, the film goes down the drain, and you're back to baseline. The second problem is that you can't control the deposit. Kitchen protein sits unevenly, thick in some places, nothing in others, and if you keep reapplying, you can get protein overload, hair that feels stiff, straw-like, and snaps instead of stretching. So DIY isn't a scam. It's a conditioner, a temporary surface conditioner. Option 2, the salon chair. A traditional smoothing treatment works, and it works dramatically because of chemistry the kitchen simply doesn't have access to. The classic version uses a solution that, in water, releases formaldehyde. Then the stylist flat irons at very high heat, which locks that cross-linked network into a straight configuration. You're not coating the hair, you're chemically rebonding it into a new shape. That's why the result is so dramatic and why it can hold for months. Here's the trade-off, and it's the reason this entire category is shifting. Formaldehyde is classified as a human carcinogen by the International Agency for Research on Cancer. Occupational safety agencies in multiple countries have issued hazard alerts specifically about salon smoothing treatments. That's also why you'll see products labeled formaldehyde-free that still contain methylene glycol, which is chemically just formaldehyde dissolved in water. When it heats up, it releases the gas anyway. Add the practical costs, usually 2 to 4 hours in the chair, a few $100s, and you're rebooking every 3 to 5 months. Effective? Genuinely, yes. But you're paying for it in money, time, and air quality. Which brings us to option 3, and the reason this comparison exists at all. The Mayraki Organic Hydrolyzed Keratin Instant Smoother System. The key word is hydrolyzed. Hydrolysis is a controlled process that cleaves a large protein into much smaller fragments. These fragments are small enough to move past the cuticle instead of sitting on top of it. Mayraki S formula is a plant-based keratin paired with collagen, and per the brand, it's designed to travel into the porous, damaged sections of the strand and fill them, then form a protective layer around the outside of each strand. So you're getting both, interior repair where it's needed and an exterior seal that keeps humidity from re-swelling the hair. It's formulated without formaldehyde and without methylene glycol. The brand states it's safe for sensitive scalps and eyes with no burning, safe for color-treated hair. The formula is built on Brazilian botanical extracts, camu camu, annatto seed, and acai berry. Application is a home process. You apply it through the hair, blow dry it fully, then flat iron. The brand recommends 450 degrees to set the treatment. Then you leave it alone, no water and no swimming for 48 hours, and no washing for 3 days. After that, You maintain it with sulfate-free products. Results are reported to last 2 to 3 months with proper maintenance. If your hair is frizzy, dry, damaged, curly, or color-treated, that's exactly the hair type this system was built for. And the link to the Mayraki Organic Hydrolyzed Keratin Instant Smoother System is in the description. If this made the chemistry make sense, subscribe. Take care of your hair. See you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more hair care insights. Check the link in the description to learn more about Mayraki hair products.